To attach the base to your tabletop, first place a piece of cardboard that arrived with your crate delivery on a flat surface. Make sure the surface is clean. Wipe away any dirt or debris from the surface. Place your tabletop face down on top of the cardboard. Take your table base and set it on top of the table. Next, measure the overall width of the table. In this case, it's 36 inches. Then, measure the overall width of the base. Here, it's 12.5 inches. Subtract the base width from the overall table width and divide it by 2. In this case, you get 11 3/4. The table base should sit 11 3/4 inches from every edge of the tabletop. To pre-drill the holes, use a 3/32 drill bit. One tip, add tape about 3/4 of an inch up the bit. When you drill the holes, go to the tape mark, only so you don't drill through the tabletop. Use number 12 screws, available at any hardware or big box store, and drive in the screws. That's it. Turn your table over and enjoy your new table. If you'd like to save time on future orders, we do offer a pre-drilled service for our tables when the bases are purchased through us. Inquire for pricing. For pre-drilled tabletops, simply align the base and drive in the screws.